felt the call to mission work since I was in high school. And following graduation from Baylor, as I was working as a social worker and started to hear about this issue of human trafficking, I really saw these two passions in my life come together. The passion for serving God in an international setting, and also the passion to serve Him as a social working professional. Cambodia is in a really unique situation because about 31 years ago, they experienced genocide. It wasn't just a genocide, but it was a genocide of the educated class. And so the situation here is that we have very, very few educated professionals in the country. We don't have professors who can teach kids to be social workers or psychiatrists. And so one of the problems is when we're seeking to find social workers to reach out to the wounded children that are here, we have very little training to pull from. When I heard about global mission leadership, I was really excited and impressed because I feel like that's exactly what a country like Cambodia needs, is not to send these kids, these social workers, out of the country to get an education and to then work in America, but to send them and give them the opportunity to get a Western education to come back and help their own people, because that's I think how Cambodia is going to really begin to heal and restore itself from the tragedy that it's been through. The field of social work is so unique because it really reaches out to people in their environment, in whatever situation that they're in. And I really see that working in Cambodia because the social workers are not only reaching out to the emotional needs, which are so great, of the people here, but they're also reaching into their physical needs and their needs in terms of relationships with their families and with their community. And I think that that's why the field of social work in particular is going to be one that really can be effective within this culture. They can do so much more with these girls than we can as foreigners coming in from the outside. And so I think that education and empowerment and lifting up of these national leaders is really the most crucial, because they're the ones that understand the culture, and they're the ones that understand all the underlying issues that these girls face, and they're really the only ones that are going to be able to bring about healing and restoration in their lives.